All right, good morning. Hey guys, and welcome. Excuse me, welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. Okay, we use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, and all of that good stuff, straight up, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy life, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any trades that you take upon yourself. Please do not be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay. I hope you guys are doing well. We didn't have London planned today because Cash and myself we had some work, but it got cancelled at the last minute. We had a shoot to go to, but it didn't happen. So we thought, what the hell? We'll give you guys another, just an extra session, okay? So the ones that caught that, good on y'all, and the ones that didn't, well, there'll always be more, okay? Um, did the reminders go off? Because I don't see too many people on the stream today. Okay, all set, all set. I'm gonna start to share my screen with y'all. Okay, so we've got the dirty right here. Okay, we've got Nasdaq here, and I would potentially be looking for a move like this on the dirty zone 1, zone 2, and of course zone 3. Okay, and if the sells want to come in, you guys could be looking here to sell into our zone of demand. Okay, and the buys for Nasdaq up there, the sells for Nasdaq down here. Okay, and please don't ask me where your stop losses need to be, guys. I can tell you a stop loss based off of structure, but your stop loss depends on your risk management and the lot sizes that you guys are going to be using. Excuse me. Okay, this is gold right now. All right, this is gold. We're dropping. Let's try to get maybe something like that on gold. This region. Okay. TB1, TB2. And of course, the buys are going to come in here. TB1 and TB2 up above. Okay, do y'all want me to do one more chart? Maybe we do one more index. I'd be fine to do DAX for you guys. Let's do DAX. You know what? Let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna blind eye some levels for y'all real quick. Where are you at, DAX? Okay, so we still have Cash's levels from London. Beautiful moves, as you can see. Hit TP, looking good. Okay. Got some support here. We've got some resistance here. Resistance there. Support here. Support here. And of course, support here. Okay. Just to blind eye these levels for y'all. And of course, we have this swing high up there. Oops, my bad. So this could be a nice zone to zone trade. Yeah. And of course, if we want to break past that, we'd be looking for the bullish moves up here. Okay. Okay, so we've got 4 charts today, 3 indices and 1 gold. Um, let's see how these markets want to play out. Okay, we do have some news today. I need you guys to keep in mind that the aftershocks of FOMC are very much still going to be there. Okay, so be mindful. Okay, the markets can still be erratic. All right, so just a little update for gold. The reason I made that change was because I can see a zone of demand being formed here as we speak. And let's see. Okay, if we break down, awesome. If we push up, awesome. Okay. I like that on DAX. I'm gonna put on an alert. Okay. Also, unemployment claims in the next 6 minutes. Don't be going too crazy. Not gonna be the most erratic for sure, but expect some movement. Okay, guys. Sorry, I don't think I checked the chat. I'm gonna get on the chat real quick. Hey, good evening. Hey, what's up, Suraj? Hi, Zero, Kyle, my man, Rizwan, Bharat, Sohail, Deepmind, Anuj, Zero, Muhammad. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good day. Some 5 minute support that's being formed over here as well as we speak. Okay, is anyone in any sort of trades right now, or are you guys waiting on me? Um, what's going on? Waiting. Okay. We're building into some 5 minute support over here, okay? Let's go and mark that up. It's a 10 pip region. I'm not going to mark it up. It is what it is, okay? 5 minute resistance there. Okay. I just bought a 100K account right now. Not going to risk it by news. That's a smart thing to do. Shitij Joshi, EUR USD buy 1.0800. Buddy, we're not doing EU right now. Please refrain from giving levels that you're looking at on my stream. Thank you. Okay, so before I started the stream, I actually had the buy slightly lower, all right, and it started to play out, and we were super close to news, so I didn't want you guys getting in on anything like this, but this was pretty much the region that we were looking at. Okay, so we could have had a nice little about a 10 pip move, and it could be more, but I just didn't want to give you guys a position that could have been slightly premature and pre-news. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this Forex Scalper Pro and let's see what they're trying to tell us. Okay, so on the US 30, everything is more or less trying to go oversold, which is what leads me to believe that we could maybe get a little bit of a push. All right, but let's see. Okay, we can't say for sure. NASDAQ potentially maybe going overbought. Okay, so we can have that move that could potentially kick in. Gold, Shah Muhammad. Here you go, buddy. Okay. Gold in its range and DAX isn't on, but it is what it is. Okay. All right. So that's your impulse on the dirty cells. If you guys are looking for that, um, that's your impulse. I'm not gonna look for short positions, not till if the market wants to short, I'm gonna wait for price to break that. I'm gonna wait for price to break our daily, okay, which is most likely gonna be at the 700 region, which is also gonna act as a daily support. We're also building in some 5-minute support here. Let's see, you guys. It could be choppy as well. Welcome, people on YouTube. Initial jobless claims, news coming in 7 minutes, 100% money essential, wave gaming. I'm alright, almost hitting my day drawdowns, no trades for me. Good decision. Good decision. Watch and learn. DAX on NY, that's new. Yeah. Well, DAX been moving. Um, so who are we to not trade it, right? Okay. All right, so we've got a minute to news. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna have my eyes. 20 seconds to news. I'm gonna have my eyes on the dirty and even maybe potentially DAX. But let's see what the dirty wants to do. Okay, I have an order set up on the dirty. You guys know what I'm looking at. So if it happens, I get the move. Okay, and if not, it is what it is. All right, this is news. Let's have a good one, guys. Okay, positive Canadian news. All right, so look at that rejection. They're going to push down. Maybe they fill that liquidity there. Gold's buying. Going down. Yeah, there you go. Stay out of this, okay? Negative jobless claims. Negative jobless claims. All right, I'm watching US 30 on my phone. I may get triggered in soon. Okay, we have the EMA sitting right there. Okay, we're currently holding at the EMA. Let's see. Let's see if they want to close up there. Negative claims is bullish. It's never that way, buddy. We have multiple news folders that are being released right now, Muhammad. So it's going to be mixed. You know, they're going to be it. Don't be in the misconception that bullish news is a green candle and bearish news is a red candle. It never works like that. Okay. Okay, I'm in on nothing so far. Still waiting on this guy to get triggered. Let's see. Let's see. Gold, let gold close. Okay, let gold close. Let DAX close. Let everything close. All right, this is pretty choppy right now. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Anyone at all? Nope. Okay, me neither. I'm just watching. All right, let it take its time. Let it do its thing. Um, we'll get to it. Okay, look at that Nasdaq. There you go. Nasdaq starting to push up. Wait for the candle to close. Okay, wait for the candle to close. There's no hurry and there's no need to get in on anything prematurely. I'm waiting out on Nasty on a demo account. Good stuff, Wave Gaming. Good stuff, buddy. Okay, let this close, let that close. Let it give us some confirmation, you guys. There's no reason to get in on a trade if we do not have confirmation. Okay? Okay, lots of rejection. Could you re-explain your US 30 entry? Well, I'm waiting for price to break this region. I'm waiting for price to break this box to push higher and maybe get this zone fill, that zone fill, and potentially that zone fill. But again, it depends on how the markets want to react, right? So the reason this box is only to our demand zone is because I'm expecting a quick scalp over here. And what demand means is that we have buyers that will step in at this region, right? So this should be your TP, okay? And then when the buyers step in, you can start to have some pushback movement to the upside. And this would be the structure that I'd be looking for to get in. So I currently have an order that's set up in and around this region, a buy stop. Slow day. I'm sorry, guys. I won't be able to stay for market open today. Okay, I've got some work that I have to deal with. So I won't be able to stay for market open. So I'm gonna watch, for a couple more minutes. Maybe, we stay for the early swap, and then I'm gonna have to sadly call it a session today. Okay, this is also the last New York session for this week. Off day for Cram tomorrow. Only off day from the streams. I'm still doing the one-on-ones. But yeah, off day for me tomorrow. Okay, you guys are gonna have London tomorrow, though. All right, so this candle closed. Let's see if we want to get a retest, a rejection, and a push on DAX. Okay, wait for it to come back down a little bit. Wait for it to maybe test this area out, and maybe that retest would be a good little opportunity for you to step in. Okay, take your pips and get out. Okay, Nasdaq pushing. I would like to have seen Nasdaq give a little bit of a retest, but it didn't. And if you're in on this, set yourself at a break-even position. Okay, look at that playing out as well. Gold starting to push bullish. Okay, they're all starting to play out. Only the one that I was looking for hasn't started to play out as yet. Nasdaq. Who's in on Nasdaq right now? You guys should be printing. Okay, be careful. If you're up by a bit, make sure to set it up to break even. Okay. Look at that. We're about to hit TP. Okay, I'm in on the US 30, guys. I'm in on the dirty, and I'm running. Okay, I want to see how many of y'all are gonna catch this with me. Um, I like it. I'm up by about 10 pips. There you go, 12 pips and counting. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go and let's hit TP. I'm going to set this to break even real quick because I don't want to be stressing about any sort of positions. All right, give me a second. If I get stopped out at break even, it is what it is. Okay. 5. Okay, I'm in a break even spot. Not stressing, just watching, and let's see what these markets want to do. All right, so Nasdaq hit TP and we pushed on the retest rejection. Gold is giving us an impulse right now. DAX retest rejection and a push. Looking good, guys. I'm running big freaking sorry, excuse me, YouTube. I'm running big freaking time on my US 30. Okay. I'm up by about close to 20 pips on the dirty. Close to 20 pips on the dirty. Are you trading US markets? Yes, I am. We trade the Forex markets with Forex traders. Okay. I want to see W's in the chat. All right, guys, I'm going to liquidate my position and leave a really tiny position running, 20 pips. I'm not complaining. I am happy. Okay, so I just pulled out 20 pips on, well, 18 pips on 250 bucks a pip, and I still have 50 bucks a pip running. Wait for the close now. Baha, wait for the close. Okay, minute and 46. And yeah, we hit TP. I want to see W's in the chat. How many of you guys are catching this guy? I took the gold impulse. Awesome, man. You should have made some. I hope you liquidated. Wait for the next minute and a half for this candle to close. Okay. Let's see if these candles want to close. So look at that. DAX is getting that rejection. Let's see if they want to pick back up. 45 bucks. Congratulations, Corey. W with you, 21 pips on US 30. Congratulations. Let's see. I'm in and out of my position. I'm now in a break-even position. I liquidated $250 a pip for 18 pips. Do the math yourself. I'm not gonna flaunt numbers over here. But yeah, that's how much I made, and I still have 50 bucks a pip running at a break-even position. Okay. I may get stopped out at break-even on this one, but I don't care. All right. I'm pretty much done for the day. Okay. We need to break that in order to get it. My 50 bucks a pip, if it goes up here, um, you guys can imagine how much I would make if I don't get stopped out now and this move gives me what I think it'll give me. It's going to be more than what I made from my Lambo. Okay, so I'm just going to wait. I'm going to watch. You see my levels of support and resistance. As we keep breaking these, I'm going to keep trailing my stop losses, guys, and I'm going to keep making sure those profits are booked. Okay, because who am I to give away the money that I've made in these markets? All right. It isn't that strong news. Yeah, it happens every Thursday. Don't hit my stop loss. Don't hit my stop loss. All right. Let's have the retest, but let's get rejected. Give me my money, Nas. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. You got this. Okay, gold was just a fake out. It's literally gone both ways. And this is coming back down. Come on, Nasty, Nasty. Let's do it. Okay, good. Picking back up. Still running about 8 pips on my 50 bucks a pip. Are you trading Forex or US stock market? We trade Forex and we also trade the indices. So we don't do stocks, but we do trade mainly NASDAQ and the Dow Jones. All right, so I like the dirty right now. We are getting held up at the 9. Okay, so let's see if we want to maybe get rejected. I'm just watching this, man. I'm going to be such a happy man, and I'm going to close this trading week strong as long as we go and we hit that up there. I kid you not. Okay? All right. I still am not stopped out, by the way. Waiting and watching. I'm going to manually do it if it happens to break this region now. Okay? If we happen to break that, I've already booked profits, so I don't want to jeopardize anything. Enter now. Yeah, that could be a nice little retest entry for you. Is Nasdaq available on XNES? I have no idea, buddy. I really don't. I don't use the broker. I have no idea. Okay, who got in on the retest rejection? Who got in there? I want to see how many of you guys got in there. And as long as you caught that, you guys should be running by about 20 pips already. This is what we do here at Forex, man. Freaking insane. We're going up to hit TP1 again. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations to everyone that is printing with Forex trading right now. W, awesome. Okay, liquidate your goddamn positions. Take your pips. Leave partials like I just did to hit the supply zone. Inshallah. Okay. Let's see if they want to do that. And if they do, you're going to get that move. If they don't, it is what it is. For the people on YouTube, welcome to Forex Trading. All right. If this is your first time on our stream, your first time you're seeing us on YouTube, you don't need to stay on YouTube. You see the link in our description. Join our Discord server. Hop on to Zoom, where we're simultaneously having a private call right now. And yeah, it's absolutely free. Don't think I'm asking you guys to pay anything. Just come on. There's a lag on YouTube, and I'm sure it's pretty shitty. But get on to Zoom and be a part of our army of millionaires. How do you mark time frame support and resistance? By just identifying support and resistance, buddy. We look for key levels. We do an analysis where we start from the higher time frames and we work our way down to the lower time frames. I do not, Ankit. I do not. Okay, I want to see W's in the chat. All right, Zoom, I'm talking to you guys. I want to see W's. Um, I want to see how many of y'all. Okay, give me a quick second. I do not do any of that. Sorry, guys. People on YouTube, I was talking to our private Zoom members. Um, how do we count pip dollar count in Nasdaq? Every whole number change on Nasdaq is one pip. Okay, so 29 to 38, for instance, would be 9 pips. And your contract size depends on the broker that you use. Okay, so this is just being choppy. This is just pretty much ranging sideways. We're accumulating orders. The move could come. I do like the potential sells that could start to kick in on just based off of structure. I don't even need to look to the left, but just looking at this, it looks like we should start to maybe sell off a market open. Okay. Um, DAX. Let's see. We could come back down here. We're now building into some demand for DAX right there. Maybe we get a little bit of a rejection and push up, or we start a break. Messed up on my lot size and nasty, which caused me to have a small W. Tried to get back on the rejection, and I hit BE before it got the 10 pip range. On to tomorrow. Absolutely, buddy. It's all good. 28 pips got today. Now I can sit back and watch, learn more. Awesome. US 30. Nice. US 30 still running. All right, I'm going to tell you guys how much I'm up by on my US 30 position. My $50 a pip is up by close to 50 pips, almost 50 pips at this point. Okay, my $50 a pip. Intense, intense. We're making some serious dough today. All right, I love it. Okay, anyone still riding this momentum with me? Anyone have your partials that are still running in these markets? Just like yours truly, Baha, Frosty, Will, Dylan, Kyle. Okay, if we happen to now break this region, right? So if we have a candle that closes above this level of resistance, I'm just going to start to trail my stop losses. I'm going to have it somewhere here. And then as we push higher, I'm eventually going to have it at the 5 minutes, eventually there. And then I'm going to try and maximize my profits for this trade. Okay. But I'm not complaining, even if this wants to completely come back down on me and stop me out of break even, because, like I said, I've made my pips for the day, you guys. What do I think about gold? I think gold is choppy. I like the sells that could come in on gold right at about this region. Okay. I like these sells on gold, but it is what it is. Close to trade at break even. We'll be looking to make some profits now. Awesome. Okay. DAX is chop chop. All right, guys. I'm not going to stay on for too much longer just because I like to practice what I preach, and I'm done for the day. Okay. Do you guys have any questions? The people on Zoom, we have, how many slots do we have? Okay. So, okay. So we had two people that got booked in from day before, and we currently have one more slot that's open for y'all. Okay, so if you guys want to hop in, now's the time. But please make sure only and only let us. It's one thing to ask us, but only let us know if you guys are serious about taking it up. Okay, it takes our time, and most importantly, it's not fair to the rest of the people that we pick over you guys. If y'all are just going to keep us hanging. Okay, so don't do that to the community. Let us know if you guys want to get booked up. There currently is a wait time, um, but trust me, it's worth it. Ask anyone on our community, the people that have done the one-on-one sessions with us. We have 170 plus people on the mentorship program right now, and not one person has told me that it's not fun and or they haven't learned something. Okay, so go ahead if you want to get started with these markets, and if you are a beginner, um, the mentorship program is the best place for you to start. One-on-ones are gold. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate you. Okay. Great. Look at that. The gold cells are possibly coming in now. All right, but I wouldn't be surprised if we have a little bit of a bounce back from here too. Let's see. Okay. Can I go with half Lambo on USA? Does it look like that clean to you right now? Um, I wouldn't say get in right now, buddy. If you're already in on it, then it's a different story. But I wouldn't get in with a bigger position, even if it's a Corolla or whatever it is. But I wouldn't get in with a bigger position at this time because we've already caught the zone. What I'd be looking for now, Muhammad, is that, and that. The same entry exit strategy, but we want to respect it above the next level of resistance. Make sense? Because this one's already done. So wait for price to close above, and maybe you can still get the move. Right? This is a pretty critical neckline, right? For the one-on-ones, you guys should be seeing this. We're coming into a nice little double bottom over here with a retest and a push to the downside. So this bearish move or this supply um, generated from the neckline of our double top. Okay, so it's not going to be as easy as you guys think it is going to be to break that level of resistance. Okay, so let's get confirmation from the level above, and then you could think of getting it. Okay. What about gold now? Buddy, gold's not doing anything. It's not in either of our boxes. Indicators you use, are you asking me or are you telling me, Seth? I'm not sure. Okay, look at that. Pop asking. We just use the 9 and the 200 EMA, and we use the RSI for confluence. That's it. But we trade pure price action. So we're not our analysis is not based off of the EMAs and the RSI. It's based off of the candles price action. Should gold go down or up now? So gold can do whatever it wants to, man. You want price to give you confirmation by closing in either box. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Yummy. Guys, I'm loving today so much. It's not even funny. My $50 a pip is more or less giving me my daily profit that I'd be happy with. The ones that have been trading me for that have been trading with me for quite some time. Y'all know the amount that I'm talking about, my 10 pips based off of my regular Lambo positions. Y'all know what it's at. And I am pretty much up by that much with my partial right now. Okay, crazy. Most of viewers are us Indians. Yeah, sure. That's very true. Very true. But we have a mixed community on our server. We have people from all around the world. To be fair, out of 170 people on the mentorship program, I think I have maybe 5 Indians, not more. 5 Indians. And out of those 5 Indians, two of them are husband and wife, literally. So there are not too many Indians on the mentorship program, but yes, we do have the Indian audience that come to watch our streams. I passed phase one on MFF just in this week only by your stream, so grateful into phase two from Monday. Congratulations, Seth. Super happy for you, buddy. Keep at it, keep going. Seth, I really watch so many that give indicators and suggest to use a lot. Cram is totally different, super clean and clear moves with respecting zones only. Thank you, Baha. Cram, when we having session, I got you covered for next week. I have a date in mind for you, okay? I have I'll get in touch with you later today. Where you from, brother? I am Indian myself. Born and raised in Dubai, Gulf kid, but I'm Desi at heart. Do you post your charts for the day or something like that? I do not. I do not post my charts. I used to, but we had an issue earlier where people were actually sending those charts across, and we just haven't done it yet. Give me a quick second, okay, guys? All right, guys, I'm going to call it a session real quick. I'm also from Dubai. Awesome, awesome. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. I was literally just asking people yesterday, where's our Dubai fam at? And there weren't too many people, surprisingly. Shells, you're from Dubai too? Awesome. Lovely. I was born and raised, went to school in Dubai, lived there practically my whole life. Um, and yeah, I moved to Bombay for film school. Okay, guys, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the week. I may or may not trade London with you guys tomorrow. Listen, we do all of this for you guys for absolutely free. Okay? So go ahead, post up on success stories. Zoom, I'm going to come back to you. I'm just going to close off with YouTube. Zoom, stick around. Okay? YouTube, guys, thank you all so much. I saw quite a few people come and go today. Listen, there's a link in our description. Go ahead and join our Forex server. It's absolutely free. You don't need to watch us on YouTube with the lag. You can hop on to our private Zoom and trade with the rest of the group. The chat goes crazy. We have people discussing ideas. We have people saying when they're getting in and when they're getting out. It's going to help you a lot more. All right. So, YouTube, I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys next week. Tomorrow, Cash Effects, my lovely partner, is going to be live for you guys for London, for YouTube. So, you guys will have another session for the week. All right. Take care, YouTube. I will catch you guys later. Cheers. Bye.